Those are the little chronicles back in it. So this is Charlotte Elite Auto 25, I believe. That's hard. Wide body. That's hard too. Would you do that to yours? Little SR. See, I like the sports seats too. Right here, Evo. This is next up on the channel, y'all. Give me a little bit of time. Let me finish this Eclipse build first. I'm coming back for that Evo. I'm gonna spin the block. I'm definitely coming back for the Evo. Fun fact, y'all, if you wrap a Ferrari in a different color, usually, if they find out, they'll try to sue you. Let me see what this man's talking about.
We'll see y'all out there.
Is you real or not? I'm about to. Cause bro, I don't know if you've seen.
It's there. It's those guys over there.
Okay. Cause I was gonna say, oh, they got all of these.
Yeah, it's
Damn. I was gonna say, cause I seen something online. They said that you can't like potentially like wrap a Ferrari, cause they'll sue you or something like that.
They can send you a cease and desist.
Right.
But if you got fuck you money, then fuck them.
Right.
So.
Exactly.
That's great.
Yeah, it is. That's hard.
I didn't know that.
That shit heavy. Damn. That's heavy. That's heavy. Yeah, exactly. They came out here with their whole squad. They came out with the whole squad. Vintage. Toyota Supra. Heavy. This is the definition of staggering. Oh my gosh. Stance. Sure. best looking cars in the world. Like, Acura was on their shit when they came out with it. Heavy. Alright, man, so y'all peep the scene. Crazy turnout. Crazy turnout, they racing in the parking lot. Crazy turnout of the event, man. Y'all seen the cars, man. Like I said, we working. My Eclipse. I don't know, one day it would be nice to get the whip in there, I think. I mean, shit. Eventually, it'd definitely be nice to get a couple whips in there, because you already know we working on a couple, but yeah, man, we got a lot of work to do. So we're gonna work on it, man. Next video gonna be dope. We added some new modifications to the Eclipse, the 4G. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. But yeah, this is Lil Chronicles, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all rock with the content. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.